Hi everyone, I'm Deanna Hain, the Executive Director of Marketing for York Wall Coverings, and today I'm going to be installing a mural, an unpasted mural, so you'll get to see how we paste it and how we get it up on the wall. I picked the Misty Mountain mural from Ron Redding's Tea Garden collection because I have one room in this house that doesn't have windows, and all of our rooms have this great view of the valley below and all of the treetops, so I wanted to bring that element into that space as well. So stay tuned and take a look at the unpasted mural installation. It turned out amazing. It totally did what I wanted it to do, brought the space into all the other spaces, has a really cool vibe to it, and it really wasn't too difficult to install. You just kind of pasted the back and forth. Definitely had a great helper in my husband. He's 6'5", that's helpful. So he got the high parts, I did the low parts. But all in all, it took about an hour and 15 minutes for us to install that one wall. And I will show you the results here. I will let you know, for some tips and tricks on installing wallpaper, simply go to our Stay Inspired page at yorkwallcoverings.com for a whole list of tips on how to cut, trim, measure, figure out your plumb lines, all of it just to make it seamless so that you can do this at home too. Thanks so much, and I challenge you to install your own perfect product in your space.